Hi everybody, I'm Jay with Ukulele J Barbecue in the new kitchen studio, and I'm excited to show the unboxing today of the new MeatStick 4X. Now the MeatStick 4X is the newest generation of the MeatStick. There's the MeatStick, there's the MeatStick X, there's the MeatStick Mini, and the X's are the designator for the repeater system that transmits the Bluetooth very, very far. The Bluetooth range on this MeatStick 4X is now 650 feet. In addition, this battery lasts for 70 plus hours. That's right, no more going out in the morning and realizing your thermometer died, you didn't have an alarm going off, the brisket's overdone. Those days are over. But here's the exciting thing about the 4X. The reason it's called the 4X is because it has 4 temperature probes. No more old technology with just a temperature sensor in the tip and one in the end, which still works fine with the original meat sticks that I have, and I've got quite a few that I love using, including the Mini. But when it comes to the 4X, you've got a temperature sensor at the tip, and you've got 3 temperature sensors strategically placed along the shaft, along with one on the end. That's 4 sensors. You get a more accurate algorithm when your food's going to be finished. You get a very, very almost instantaneous reading on your temperature, and because you can monitor on how the temperature variations are occurring inside the meat, that algorithm really nails and locks in on that doneness time. Now the MeatStick 4X can definitely go in deep fryers. Not a problem. You can also put it in the dishwasher, which a lot of them cannot do. This is the newest in technology, the newest meat stick, the MeatStick 4X. Not only is the MeatStick 4X the newest temperature technology out there on the market, it has an incredible application, which we're going to show you here. To get started with the MeatStick, once you get ready to go, you can set your cook up, which will let you look at past cooks, or you can use the quick start and set up your own cook, which will be saved for later past cooks because everything syncs to the cloud, as well as you can take photos and put notes on your cooks inside the application. I'm setting the internal target temperature as well as the ambient target temperature, and alarms will tell you if you exceed those limits, but you can also set preliminary information so that if you're below or above a certain temperature, you'll know right away. The reverse sear ribeye that I set up shows you at 250 degrees in the oven. Insert your probe all the way so those 3 sensors can actually detect the temperature variations that are going to be progressing through the meat for that really accurate reading that you now get with the 4X. Once you get started to go, you'll see your temperatures, and that's all there is to it. So that sums up the new MeatStick 4X. It complements the entire line of meat sticks. If you have the Wi-Fi repeater, which I have as well, you can actually connect your MeatStick 4X to the Wi-Fi repeater and have all of your wireless thermometers on your Wi-Fi network so you can actually see them globally anywhere you are. It's absolutely leaps and bounds above any other thermometer that's wireless out there on the market today.